great guide when it comes to the stock market. There are many ways to make money by investing, and one of the best ways anyone can make money is through the stock market. If you think you have what it takes to become successful in the stock market, but need a little help, then you're in the right place. This video can help you understand key concepts about the stock market and how to become successful on the subject. Beginner stock investors would be wise to make themselves prepared to lose a bit of money on some of their trades. Oftentimes, new traders panic at the first dollar they lose and quickly sell off their stocks before giving them a chance to recover on their own. Educate yourself about basic accounting principles, the history of the market, and how to read and understand annual reports. While you don't need to be a professional accountant to participate in the market, this kind of knowledge will help you make the smartest investment decisions, based on your goals for investing. Understanding the stock market isn't something anyone can do in a single day. It takes time and lots of effort to start to learn how the market works. Make sure that you are dedicating enough time each day to expand your knowledge so that you can become better prepared to make sound investing decisions. It is important that you never think of investing as a hobby. It is really an extremely competitive business, and if you keep that in mind, you will be able to have a more helpful outlook. You need to deeply understand your profits and losses along with the companies you are investing in. Make sure that you are properly educated before investing in the stock market. You need to have a basic knowledge of accounting, annual reports, and the stock market history. There is no need to be an actual accountant, though the more understanding you have, the better off you will be. Since purchasing a stock is like becoming a business owner, you must have the mentality of one. Business owners are always concerned about their company's profits, keeping track of their financial statements, and making sure their business stays afloat. You must be the same way when it comes to your stocks. With all of the information that you just learned, you might feel a little overwhelmed, but that's okay. If you think that you need to re-watch this video to understand some of the key concepts that were presented, then make sure you do so. Your goal is to learn all that you can about the stock market, so that you can become as successful as you possibly can. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.